dust reflects the light. The city hums, but here it's slow. A breeze comes in, it's soft and low. I break the crust, the sand is clean. A moment caught in pink and green. No rush, no plan, no other call, just sweetness held in something small. Someone left 2 tables down, but all I hear is my heart sound. Chilled and sweet, this taste, this place, the sunlight dancing on my face. No grand romance, no story deep, just now, just here and calm to keep the morning's light a gentle treat. So chill, so soft,